In the world of construction, ensuring the structural integrity of buildings and infrastructure relies heavily on one essential process: tying reinforcement, commonly referred to as rebar. Rebars are crucial components in concrete projects, providing the strength needed to withstand various forces. Today, let's explore how to reliably tie reinforcement to ensure a durable and safe structure. To start, it's important to understand why tying rebar is crucial. Rebars are typically made of steel, providing the tensile strength that concrete lacks. Tying them securely ensures that they hold the structure firmly in place, preventing shifting, cracking, and ultimately structural failure. Properly tied reinforcement also ensures the load distribution among the steel bars remains even, preserving the building's integrity. When you begin tying rebar, there are different approaches and tools to consider based on your project's needs. Manual tying with wire is one of the most common methods and involves twisting a thin metal wire around the intersecting rebars. A specialized tool called a rebar tie wire twister helps in making this job more efficient. The key is to ensure the ties are snug without being overly tight. Over-tightening can lead to damage or misalignment, while loose ties may not hold during concrete pouring. For larger projects, consider using a rebar tying machine. These machines speed up the process significantly and offer a consistent tie, often reducing the risk of human error. The machine wraps the wire around the rebar and twists it automatically, ensuring uniformity and saving valuable time. A common knot used in tying is the simple snap tie, where the wire is wrapped diagonally across the bars, twisted with a pliers, and then cut. This method, though simple, is effective for most scenarios. For added strength, a saddle tie can be used, which involves passing the wire under both bars, twisting it over, and creating a secure knot. Attention to detail is vital when placing your ties. Generally, ties are placed at every intersection of horizontal and vertical bars. However, for areas experiencing high stress, additional ties should be considered. A well-laid plan specifying tie locations and frequencies ensures the reinforcement performs as intended. Adhering to design specifications or a structural engineer's plan is crucial. These instructions provide guidance on the number of rebars, spacing, and tying techniques specific to the project. Deviating from the design can compromise the structure's safety and functionality. So, what are the key takeaways when tying reinforcement? First, stay equipped with the right tools, whether it's handy pliers or an automatic tying machine for efficiency. Ensure your knots are both tight and consistent to stabilize the rebar effectively. Lastly, always follow the project's specifications to the letter. Precision is your ally here. In conclusion, mastering the art of tying reinforcement is fundamental to any construction project. Not only does it strengthen the build, but it also ensures the safety and longevity of the construction. By taking the right steps in tying rebar, you are laying down the foundation for a structure that will stand the test of time. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful construction tips.